Now let's talk about business owners and what they should know about employee retention credits. Here to give us all the details is Andre L. Pennington with Pennington Law. Thanks for joining us.
Thank you. It's great to be here.
Okay, I'm excited to learn about this information here. So can you break down what employee retention credits are?
Sure. It's a government program that was created through the CARES Act. Employers are entitled to $26,000, up to $26,000 per employee if they stayed open through COVID during 2020 and 2021. And it comes in the form of a check from the government. It's a credit against the payroll tax that they paid for staying open.
Oh, okay. So who qualifies for the credit?
Business owners that had revenue loss, that's the easy one, or that stayed open, but they had to make adjustments to do that. So, you know, with the rules where we had to stay 6 feet apart, wearing masks, restaurants, bars, even law firms. You know?
Like yourself, right?
Yeah, where we have to switch everything to electronic meetings and make all kinds of adjustments. So anyone who had to make adjustments, if there was something in, hey, I'm in construction and I can't have access to my materials. These kind of examples where it's affecting your business in some way that's measurable, you may qualify for these tax credits.
Oh, okay. So it's helping the business and supporting them because they had to deal with this during a difficult time.
Absolutely.
Okay.
That's exactly what it's there for.
Okay.
And it comes in the form of a check. The average return that I'm seeing on some of the bigger companies is about $420,000.
Wow.
And it's not earmarked for anything.
Okay, so who do you recommend to your clients for employee retention credits?
I like top-notch ERC specialists. The reason I like them is they have tax professionals and they have lawyers and paralegals looking at the paperwork as well.
Okay.
They do employees of 2 or more, as long as they're not blood related to the owner.
Oh, really?
Yes.
Okay. So is that just trying to help with any kind of like...
The reason I like them is there's a lot of companies that are doing 5 or more employees, 10 or more employees. They can do those, and they do those all the time. But the reason I like them is they are helping the smaller businesses. So I started as a very small business and rose up, and that's where my heart is. It's getting this money to the people that need it.
Okay, and that's important because maybe they're not aware of how the process works, or what are they going to do, or what if they do something wrong and then they don't get that support?
Exactly. A lot of small business owners are still recuperating from that time. And I've seen a lot of them get these payments, and it actually saves their business.
Okay. So what's something first-time business owners should know about this? I know you kind of touched on it a little bit, but...
Yeah, so first-time business owners really should look into it. It's a great source of revenue that can keep the doors open or give you the ability to expand. If someone opened in 2020, they still may qualify.
Okay.
So it's worth looking into.
Okay. All right. Well, thank you for sharing all that information with us today.
Thank you.
All right. And if you want to learn more, you can go ahead and visit pennlawaz.com or by calling the number there on your screen.
This segment is sponsored by Pennington Law, comprehensive Arizona estate planning services to give you peace of mind.